Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to disable read receipts on Instagram. If you don't want people to see when you've read their Instagram DMs, you can turn off read receipts for all conversations or only for specific chats. So when you disable read receipts, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. So to start, open the Instagram app, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right. Then scroll down. So go to how others can interact with you and select messages and story replies. Then from here, tap show read receipts under who can see you're online. So tap show read receipts. Then here, toggle show read receipts off. So for example, so if it's turned on, just toggle it off just like so. And that's it. So others won't see when you've read their messages. Now, if you want to turn off read receipts for one chat, so again, open Instagram and go to your direct messages. Then open the conversation where you want to disable read receipts. Next, tap the person's name at the top of the chat. Then from here, select privacy and safe. Then from here, select privacy and safety. Now, under who can see your activity, so turn read receipts off for that conversation. So if it's turned on, just toggle it off just like so. And that's it. So when read receipts are off, other people won't see the scene status after you open their messages. You also won't be able to see when they have read your messages. These settings can be changed at any time if you want to re-enable read receipts. And that's it. Thank you for watching.